Break the tradition, pioneer for the future. Introducing the world's first constant pressure water renewal robotic floor washer, DEEBOT X8 Omni. Osmo Roller Water Renewal Mopping uses fresh water, featuring 4,000 PA of super pressure intensity, impressive 200 RPM, and the constant pressure scraper, powerfully removing spills and tough stains. The third generation of IV 3D technology allows DEEBOT to truly see everything and clean the edges of everything. Even more, the second generation of True Edge Adaptive Edge Cleaning uses 3D edge sensor, ensuring DEEBOT walks precisely along the edge. Adaptive edge mopping and side brush leave no corner untouched. The upgraded Zero Tangle Anti-Tangle technology employs a triple V-shaped structure. It lifts the hair on the brush, gathers them together, and dynamically untangles them, achieving zero hair entanglement. Clean the living room.
Okay, I am coming.
And Eco GPT Voice Assistant, AI Instant Remop, and Roller Mop Auto Lifting makes your cleaning easier than ever. Hot water mop washing means the roller mops impeccably. Moreover, thanks to hot air drying, the roller mop is extremely durable. DEEBOT X8 Omni. Revolutionary freshwater roller mopping for spotless perfection.